Hello, this is Vladimir Esteves, and I'll be explaining my final project for my computer science degree at Champlain College. Um, we were given the task to try to improve a website from a nonprofit organization called Valcourt2030. They have a website that's built on WordPress, and we are asked to create some kind of a feature that would improve the communications between them and their clients, which are part of the Valcourt citizens or part of the community. So just to give a little bit explanation of what Valcourt 2030 is, this is their website, and they're like a little non-profit organization that was started by the Valcourts municipality, and the project or their goal is to try to foment people staying on Valcourt, which is the headquarters of Bombardier, and to get people that are going to go work for BRP to stay there. So they're creating activities and helping improve the community, the feeling of like a community. So people that, especially that are coming from other countries, they get there and they have stuff to do. It's since Valcourt is such a small city, they're trying to create like a little kind of a feeling of community between the newcomers and the people that are already there. So we were given the task to be able, like if we can see here in the calendrier or in the calendar, they have a bunch of events. So what we were given the task to do is that every time that they create an event, to be able to send notifications to people that may be interested in the same topics that are registered to the website, and also like send some notifications in advance whenever there's an event that's going to be happening, and somehow simplify the task for the people that are running the Valcourt 2030 project. So here I will be explaining what we came with my group. We're a team of 3 students, and we came with the idea of building like we build a separate web application, but the, the the main goal at the beginning was to somehow be able to merge it with their WordPress site, which we were not able to do. But we tried to work around, and we this is what we presented. So this is like now it's being hosted on my local computer, but normally it was going to we were able to host it on the Amazon Web Service, and all the I'm going to be adding a documentation file which explains the deployment procedures. It was built on React, our web page, and like our front end and back end. We used also well, it's a full stack MERN. It's a MERN full stack, which is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. And yeah, let me just give you a little tour around it. So there's like a register page. So here we would be selecting the tags, well, selecting the place where you're like the municipality in the Valcourt region, then adding all the information. And after registering, like the profile will be created with the tags, and which are important a little bit later. I'm gonna be show you why. And here, let me see if this is working. Yeah, so now I'm being connecting. This is the main page. Here we're just explaining how the website works. So the idea is that you go to the activities and then you can register to them. You'll be getting a notification, well, 3 days before if you're registered to the activities. And also here, like you can see, I have like 2 tags selected: sport and music. And normally any new event that's created that has any of these tags, I should be receiving an email saying there's a new activity. So right now we only have 2 that I copied from the Valcourt 2030 website. And now I'll be just giving you, like right now I'm not registered to any activities, so there's none in my activities, the page of my activities. But right now I'm gonna be creating a new event that's also copied from from the Valcourt2030 website. I added the picture here. I added like a Google's form web page. So then that will be prompting me to fill up the form after registering. And I added the sport tag, which is the one that it's not related to the activity, but it's just to show that I'm gonna receive an email. So here, after creating the event, we can see that it's gonna be showing here, which is this new event. And here on my emails, if I register, if I refresh, sorry, you can see there's a new activity. The image is not working because I'm hosting it from my local server, so it's not the email. It's somehow like seeing it as some like a like some kind of like a dangerous file, so or URL, so it's not letting it go through. But here I could register to the event, and here I could see the event that's being created on my on the WordPress website. If I click here, this is like the WordPress testing site that I created. Here are the tags. If I would click on the tags, I would see all the tags, and here's the form. So, but just to go back to the app that we're working on, if I go to see the activity and I register to it, then it's gonna be adding me to the activity, and then it's gonna be popping me up this Google form, which Kevin, the guy that's running the Valcourt 2030, asked us to create, like this link to the Google form, so he can have his own database of people that are gonna be on the event. And then if you go to my activities, now you can see that this one was added to my profile. So the email that I received here is because of the tag, because the new event was created that's related to the tag. And now that I register, you can see that saying, okay, you have registered to this activity. It's gonna take place this moment of the year. And if I go back here, I can go back to the website. The last feature that we added on the website is a cron schedule on the server side. I could actually show you the actual code, but if you, I think it's better if you want to take a look at it on the Git repo, which every day at midnight it checks all the activities on the MongoDB database, and the ones that are happening in the 3 days, like that are starting like in 3 days, it's gonna send uh, an email to all the users that are registered here. It's I'm the only registered user, so it's gonna be sending an email to all the users already registered to the activity. Last thing that I forgot to mention, when creating the event, we work with this WordPress webhook that whenever you create an event, like here, the way we were able to link the creation of the events with the server is to add this webhook, which whenever a new event was created, it would be sent to the backend of the server, and the server would add the information to the MongoDB database and so on. So yeah, I forgot to explain that at the beginning. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you like our project. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And also, the GitHub repo will be added with the documentation about our deployment on the AWS server. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.